Hey guys, hi again. Welcome to Learning with Harry. So again, some uncommon function of Excel where you can, do your experiment and tell me how you guys are doing and any uncommon function you have came across in your, experience of working in Excel. So today we have a, BAHT text function. Basically, it's convert your number into, Thai currency, or you can say Thai text value basically. So instead of wasting time, let's start with a BAH text. That is BAHT text. It's convert your number to text BAHT. So start with number, start the formula and select your number, or you can type your number like this. But let's select this and enter it. So let me just so if you can read it, well and good, because I can't understand this language. But it basically mean one bath in Thai. That is English definition you can understand. So it's inbuilt tool by Excel, which is again uncommon thing I came across. So you can just change it to 100. That word will change basically, and you can do a Google, like you can copy this text and do a Google. You will get definition that is one bath in Thai. That is the inbuilt function again. So if you have used it, just mention it, or if you have, looking at first time, just like this video and share with your other friends. And obviously, you have to mention one thing, that is some common function in Excel. So that's it for this video. See you in next video, guys. Thank you.
New to our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you.